In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off call forwarding on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the dialer app, then tap on the three dots over here. From here, just go to settings. Under the call settings, just tap on operator related settings. From here, just tap on call forwarding, then select the SIM card on which you want to enable call forwarding. Then just wait for a couple of seconds. And from here, just select when you want to enable call forwarding. Now, you can either enable always forward, and you will forward all the calls on your Oppo phone. And also, you have the option for forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and forward when unreachable. Now, just enable the toggle for the option which you like. Just enter the number to which you want to forward your call. After that, just tap on OK. Then enter your lock screen PIN or password. Now, I did not enter a valid number, so this is why it is showing me this error. But if you enter a valid number, you will enable call forwarding on your Oppo phone. And with the same way, if you want to turn off call forwarding, just disable the toggle for call forwarding from here. Now, if you're using Google Dialer instead of Oppo's own dialer app, now to enable call forwarding in Google Dialer, just open the phone app. Now let's set this app as the default. Now after that, just go to the home section and tap on the three lines over here. Then just go to settings, and under settings just look for the option for calling accounts. From here, just tap on operator related settings, then tap on call forwarding. And just select your SIM card, and from here just follow the same steps I have mentioned earlier to enable or disable call forwarding on your Oppo phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.